Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another class of SketchUp. Today I will show you how to use 3D warehouse using a browser. A quick way to add ready-made models like sofas, doors, beds and more. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. First of all, what is 3D warehouse? 3D warehouse is a free online library of SketchUp model. You can download furniture, decoration, vehicles and more. These are ready-made and save a lot of time when designing. If 3D Warehouse does not work inside SketchUp, don't worry, we will use a browser instead. We need to open Edge or Google Chrome and type www.3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. Type what you need in search bar. Example, sofa. Click on a model you like. Click download. Then SketchUp file. This will download a .skp file to your system. Now let's add that file into SketchUp. Go to File, Import, select File and click Import. The model will be placed in your design. You can move, rotate and resize. You can rotate this. Also you can resize. Some important tips: don't download too many heavy models, they slow down your projects. Always check the model size before importing. After importing, group it to keep things organized. Use only what is needed. Now quick summary: open 3D warehouse in browser, search and download model, import into SketchUp. Very helpful for civil and interior projects. Next video we will learn how to add doors and windows in your model. So like, share and subscribe if this video helped you. See you in the next one, inshallah.